Some of the best referral partners won't send you a single client for at least 6 months, and that's not a bad thing. Because good relationships take time. They're a slow burn. Here's what most people get wrong. They have one coffee, they don't get business immediately, and they decide, it didn't work. But strong referral partners don't just hand you a name after one meeting. They need to trust you. They need to understand what do you do and see that you're consistent before they put their reputation on the line. So instead of giving up, keep showing up. Check in periodically. Share a win or story about the kind of clients you help. Invite them to something where they can see you in action. The goal is to become the obvious choice when the right moment comes up. Think of it like a slow cooking a great meal. Low and steady heat brings out the flavor. The best relationships work in the same way.